Check out Hope's Furnace.
I can't even get out of the stupid thing.
You allowed to walk up there?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's got signs up there.
You don't remember coming out here?
Yeah, at night. That's why I said let's do it in the daytime.
And the lake's on down there.
So this is called Hope's Furnace. I'll tell you the little story on it in a minute, I think.
Don't you already got a video of it?
Yeah, it's at night though. You can barely see it.
Just say you can see it. Fine.
At night, we had flashlights on it. Remember?
You'll see it fine.
Oh, what's that, JC? To the right of it.
I gotta read about it. Kind of looks like it was another one, don't it?
Yeah.
Like it was two of them.
It's kind of like a pyramid, though.
Yeah, so this one.
I know. Let's see what this sign says.
I've seen another one somewhere.
Hope's Furnace, 1854 to 1874. One of 69 charcoal iron furnaces in the famous Hanging Rock Iron region, extending more than 100 miles from Logan, Ohio to Mount Salvage, Kentucky. I'm catching my breath here. This area contained all materials necessary to produce high-grade iron. The industry flourished for over 50 years in mid-19th century, during which time the area was one of the leading iron producing centers of the world. The charcoal iron industry was responsible for the rapid development of southern Ohio, and the romance of the Hanging Rock Iron region forms a brilliant chapter in the industrial history of the Buckeye State. God, I can't breathe. Yeah, that and crumbled.
It looks like it was another one.
So I said that one really crumbled. So what I just read, so what they do, they burnt coal in that?
No, I thought they heated iron and stuff.
Produce, let's see. Oh, charcoal iron furnaces in the famous Hanging Rock.
Looks it to produce high grade iron. You just read it.
I know.
What's it do?
I was out of breath when I was reading it.
I've seen another one somewhere.
Another furnace?
Torn down, had picnic tables by it. It was in better shape.
Huh.
In New Straitsville, some coal miners went on strike.
Yeah.
And they set their coal mine on fire. It's still burning. It's been over 100 years.
Still burning?
Yeah, it's still burning, but I don't know where it's at.
Wow, look at that.
There you go. It's at the Ohio River.
Sandstone wall. And it had an air duct in it.
Yeah, right here. Furnaces were a bustling hub of labor. Hundreds of men cut timber, worked the furnace, and drove teams of oxen hauling iron, ore, and charcoal to fuel the furnaces. Forests were continuously cut. Wood was then converted into charcoal made by contractors whose men would cut wood into 4 foot lengths.
What is this? What water is that?
Is it hockey?
It would have to be.
Oh, there's the ox.
Wait.
Oxen. They're the ox.
Yeah. This must have been a mill. No, this is some kind of campground thing. This has got to be that forest, that Zelensky thing. There's boats and stuff. Parking spot there. That's a charcoal pile. Don't look like charcoal to me.
So each furnace required cutting 300 to 400 acres of forest a year to keep up with the demand.
Wow. From furnace back to forest. During the Great Depression, the Civilian Conservation Corps began work projects including planting trees for erosion control of wildlife development and construction of the lake trails and roadways. It kills me. Back in the day, they didn't smile for pictures. It's weird.
Cameras were new.
Oh, those are all pelts. He's a trapper. Oh, look at that schoolhouse. Coal washer. Okay. Welcome to our world, friends. Peace out.